So you heard that I was over $500 in profits with Copy Pro traders, and you want to see it for yourself. Well, I'm gonna show it to you. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? It's Kawhi Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, and one of the top affiliates in this company as well. And man, let's dive right in and let me show you. Like I told you guys, right, that I was going to document everything. So everything, we're going to show you everything from the beginning to the end. And I started out with, and I always got to look over to my board because I literally wrote it down. So I started out with, in this company, where we at? Copy Pro Trade right there, $1,078, okay, but my gains was small because I was only taking $100 trades, and they want you to be in at least 10 trades at any time, and then at the time the trade I chose was only averaging 2%. She was just trying to get 2% a day gains, and then she left you in trades for quite some time sometimes because these are scalping trades, these are swing trades. So I was just like, you know what? Time to trade. I'm gonna switch the trade up and I'm gonna put some more money in so I can take $300 per trade. So look, I'm gonna be 100% transparent. So I put in $5,400, okay, and I upped my trade size to $300 per trade, and that was like a week ago, I believe. And man, oh man, was that the best decision I made, because now I'm going to show you where that has me at right now. So let's go to my Kraken exchange. And as you can see, that $5,400 now turned to $5,928. Also, you can see right here that we have active trades. All these is running and they are in the green. Remember, I only betted 3, right? So look, this 3 is turning to 569, 524, 613. So at any given time, you can close these trades out, and this number right here is going to go up. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. Okay, so looking good, looking great. I cannot ask for anything better with this account, and it's just been awesome. And I just want to go through the, so you can see it. So these are the trades right here. It's my balance. This is my account. Don't have to worry about somebody stealing, running off with your money. The company goes down tomorrow and now all your money's gone. You don't have to worry about that with this, because this is your exchange. All you did was hook up your API with theirs, and then when they take a trade, it automatically trades in your account. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay. So now let's log into Copy Pro Traders, and let's go see what this looks like. So you can see my trade history. So let's go to trade history. Okay. And as you can see right here, now look, you don't see a lot of red, do you? Look at one loss out of 25 trades that's been taken. Now I got some that's open. Okay. This one's open right here. All right. We got, this one's open. We got a few that's still open right here. But you see when they close in the green for the most part. So right here, you see they bought in for $1.21, closed at $1.27. Small gains, $1.18, $1.21. But sometimes it could be a lot more significant than that. Like right here, look, 2,086, but then they closed at 2,368. Okay, so that's over $200 profit right there. Okay, same thing. Where we at? Right here, 138, 130, 191. So it can vary. Look, 887, 1,131. So you can see that it's some nice gains. Now let's go see how many losses we taken. Look at all these trades, 1 loss. All green right there. And let's up this. Let's make this where we can see them all. How about that? So now let's just scroll down and see, out of all the trades that's been taken, let's count how many losses we got. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 losses out of 128 entries. So we got, out of 128 trades, we only took 7 losses. Wow. Let that sink in, right? And let me go and put the disclaimer out there. Past performance is not indicative of a future result. But man, to see this in real time, you can see the dates right here. So this has been going since February 24th to the end of February. So let's really say like March. All right, so it's March. And now we in April. Okay, so really it's been really going like for a full month that I've really been at this. Before that, like I said, I started out with such a small balance that it wasn't really having nothing significant. So then I switched it over. But this right here is huge. Like it gets no better than this. Like literally, all these wins, them little bit of trades, and everything's transparent. And then this is just from the trading side of things, But then if you want to actually earn a commission from referring people as well. Well, then check out this. Look at how much I've earned already just from referrals. So we come over here, we can see right here that the year to date, okay, I still have available balance for me to withdraw right now. So I got right here, that's like over 4,000, I believe, to withdraw right there, just in a loan. So let's go see, put that BTC in there. Yep, look, 4,256 ready to be withdrawn right now. And then on top of that, you can see what I made total year to date. Now let's go look at the year to date balance. So in that short amount of time, I've already taken over $8,752 on top of me making money from the actual trade side of things as well. Okay, so I'm making money from the trades. I'm making money from referring others, by sharing this opportunity with them and letting them reap the rewards as well. And all I pay is $99 a month. This right here is a no-brainer, right? Like for real, no-brainer. Like, man. So just wanted to show you my trades, where we're at right now, as of, April 21st, 2021. So I'm going to keep making these videos, keep putting them up, keep showing the good, the bad, the ugly, if it ever gets ugly. So if I have some losses, I'm going to show those as well. Right now, it's been all wins. It's been a blessing. So I'm happy to report that. But dang, this is phenomenal to have only 7 losses. Man, that's crazy. All right. So awesome ride thus far. And we will keep you informed. If you like what you see, you want to join CPT, then definitely hit that link below, cptelite.com, and we'll get you going. If you got any questions, then feel free to call me, 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have. Also, if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. That way you get notified when I put up these videos and you don't be late to the party. All right. I appreciate you. See you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.